Hi, I'm Corey with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Installation day for your new heating or air conditioning units can seem stressful, but today I'm here to break down what an installation appointment looks like so you know what to expect. When we arrive, you will have the opportunity to meet the whole install team. Install teams typically consist of 2 to 4 members, but it may vary based on the scope of the job. Then our team will review all of the job notes and the job site, ensuring that the install plan set forward by our HVAC expert can be executed successfully. At this time, our installers will walk you through the coming install and verify that everything planned for your home fits your wants and needs. They will also walk you through anything they need to do that may affect the rest of the home, such as shutting off any power, gas, or water for a short time. Then, we will get to work. Our installers will take out any old equipment that is being replaced and carefully place and install your new equipment. If there are any changes from the initial plan as your new installation progresses, our installers will check with you so that you are aware and so that we can make sure they fit your needs. Finally, when the job is complete, we will walk you through the new install of your system, showing you everything that was done and everything that you need to know to run and maintain your new system. Here at Mattioni, we always strive for 5-star service, so if you see any issues here or notice any issues throughout the process of the install, please let us know and we will be sure to correct those to meet your 5-star expectations. If you have any questions, our experts are always willing to help you, or you can call our office at any time using the number below.